Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to be going over our classwork for Unit 3, Lesson 3 as our refresh and our reminder from class today. So let's start with number 2. Number 2 reads, the width of David's rectangular tent is 5 feet. The length is twice the width. David's rectangular air mattress measures 3 feet by 6 feet. If David puts an air mattress in his tent, how many square feet of floor space will be available for the rest of his things? So first things first, you need to imagine like you're going to be looking at the tent from the top down. So you're going to be flying above your tent and looking at the floor space. So this is the floor space of David's tent. Okay, so David's width, okay, we'll say the side's his width, is 5 feet. Okay, 5 feet. Now his length is twice his width. Okay, so his length is 2 times his width. Now, we can go ahead and read on to the next part. It says, David has a rectangular air mattress. Okay, so I'm going to say this is his air mattress that measures 3 feet by 6 feet. If David puts his air mattress in his tent, how many square feet of the floor space will be available for the rest of his things? So if we take this 3 by 6 air mattress and put it in his tent, okay, this is his air mattress, they want to know what this space is. How much of this purple space is left? So we need to subtract this orange space from this purple space. So we're going to subtract this purple from this orange. Well, from the orange from the purple, excuse me. So first, let's go ahead and find out our total amount of space. So let's go ahead and find out how much space is in David's tent. So 2 times his width, okay, or having 2 widths, okay, is saying like we're going to have 5 plus 5, or 2 times 5, which equals 10. So our length is 10 feet. Okay, it's 10 feet. Now to find the inside, okay, to find this total purple, okay, this total purple inside here, this entire space, we're going to find out, okay, we're going to find out how much this purple space is. In order to do that, we're going to find out its area. Remember, the inside is area. So we're going to find out the area of David's tent. So area, don't forget, area equals length times width. So the area of David's tent is equal to 5 times 10. So the area of David's tent is 50 squared feet, or 50 feet squared. Okay, so that's David's tent. So now we need to find out the area of his air mattress. So we already know it's a 6 by 3, and area equals length times width, so area equals 6 times 3. So the area of his air mattress is 18 squared feet, or 18 feet squared. Now, I originally had my air mattress drawn inside my tent. Okay, so I'm going to go back. I'm going to erase everything in here. And we're going to re-add my air mattress. And this is 18. And so we're going to take away 18 square feet of my tent space. So if we had 50 feet squared for my tent floor, 50 feet squared, and then I had 18 feet, oops, that should be orange, 18 feet squared for my air mattress, all I have to do is subtract. 0 minus 8 you can't do, so you need to borrow. Borrow from the 5. 5 becomes a 4. 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. So 32 squared feet, or 32 feet squared, is my answer. Okay, 32 feet squared. So this area right here in this red is 32 feet squared. So if you need to, you can rewatch this part of the video or pause now to finish writing. If you want to continue on, continue watching, and I'll be doing number 3. So number 3 reads, Jackson's rectangular bedroom has an area of 90 square feet. Okay, he has an area of 90 square feet. So let's go ahead and draw Jackson's bedroom. Okay, and this area equals 90 squared feet, or 90 feet squared. So we know his area is 90 square feet. Then the area of his bedroom is 9 times that of his rectangular closet. So that means his closet is smaller. Okay, so if we take his closet and times it by 9, we're going to get his bedroom area, which is 90 feet squared, or 90 square feet. What number times 9 gives us 90? Well, that means his closet's got to be 10 feet, because 9 times 10 is 90. So his closet's got to be 10 feet for his area. 10 feet squared, excuse me, for his area of his closet. Okay? So the area of his closet is 10 squared feet. So we know his area of his closet is 10 feet. So all we need to know now is his width and length of his in order to find his closet's area. So area equals length times width. Now we already know his area of his closet is already 10. Now we need to know length and width. So let's read the rest of the question. It says if the closet is 2 feet wide, perfect. We have our width. His closet is 2 feet wide. We need to know what is the length. So what is the length? So we have our area, which is 10. We have our width, which is 2. What number times 2 gives us 10? Our length equals 5. And then don't forget your units. 5 what? 5 feet. Okay? Because our area is feet squared, and our width is, our width is 2 feet. So our length has to be in feet as well. So length is 5 feet. Hopefully this is a nice little refresh course on how to do numbers 2 and number 3 on your classwork, which also closely resemble your homework. Once again, if you're struggling with your homework, refer back to this video for your classwork, or you can look at the other videos that are posted on through the link on Schoology that have the exact questions for the homework linked to another YouTube website. Thanks, and have a wonderful day.